This is Sanjeet Singh and today is a news reporting class and I am going to take the feedback of my students who are just studying here and they are just coming here not only for studying, they are coming here for practicing also, and I am 100% sure that now they are able to speak in English, but am I saying right or wrong? You will just see that how are they speaking and what are their opinion about each and everything, they will just see. So let's begin and I would like to start with you. What's your name?
Kaira Verma.
Your name is Kaira Verma. So in which class do you study?
I study in graduation second year.
Okay, why have you decided to learn English?
Because of my aim, I want to become an air hostess, and in air hostess I have to go, like I have to put a communication skills. That's why I'm here.
So in your eyes, what is communication skills? He has told about communication skills. So what is your opinion about communication skills?
Communication skill means I have to transfer my information and my feelings to anyone and receive information and their feelings.
So do you think that nowadays communication skill is important?
Yeah, it's very much.
Where it is important?
Everywhere, just because between a parents and a child, if something is matter, then their communication skill. If we talk between us, if they have good communication between them, then they have attraction between them and they have attachment and they.
But here we are just knowing one thing, that communication skill, it means people should know English. So is it right?
No, I don't think communication means in any language. It should be in Hindi, Bhojpuri, German, French. In any language we can communicate.
So this is called communication skill.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what's your name? Monica Singh. Monica Singh, just introduce yourself.
My name is Monica Singh. I will be waiting for I am married woman. I am a daughter. She's 3 years old.
So you are a housewife or you are a working lady?
I am housewife.
So as a housewife, why do you think that English is important for you?
Because I have a daughter, I communicate with my daughter in future.
So you want to just communicate yourself with daughter in English. That's why you have just come here to learn English. Is there any future aspects? You don't want to do anything in your life?
Yes, I want to be a businesswoman. I open my restaurant.
Do you think that you will have time because you have one little daughter, and if we are in business and if we go in business, then definitely we don't have time for our families and whatever, because we have to think about only business.
No,
Yes, you will.
yes, I will.
You will just manage. Okay, very good. What's your name? Why have you come here? Speak loudly.
Sir, I've come here to learn English and to improve my.
Why do you want to learn English? What is the need English for you?
Sir, because if we go to foreign countries, there the communication.
Why do we need to go foreign country?
Sir, for any purpose.
Any purpose means what?
Sir, for business.
For business. Why we can do business in Muzaffarpur or Bihar also.
Sir, in Muzaffarpur and Bihar, the situation of business is not good at all. And if we go to another cities like Delhi, Mumbai, we have to also learn English, and in job field there is also another need of English, knowing English.
So that's why you want to learn English. So how are you feeling now?
Sir, I am feeling good and I am just improving my English and
Now, I have just heard that you have retired, but still you need to learn English. What's the reason?
Sir, I am a Hindi medium student, and this is my childhood dream. I learned English, but that time there are no mobile, yeah, etc. yeah, coaching, which learn me English. And this time I am free, so
So you want to learn English.
I
So
want to learn and in
what-
future
So how much you have confidence you have gained till now?
I have confidence.
Can you speak with anyone in English?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Miss Razali.
Okay, Rajnandani, what are you doing nowadays? At present, what do you do?
I am a student and
You are a student. In which class do you study?
now I am studying in graduation second semester.
Graduation second semester. What is your subject?
My subject is BA.
Why have you taken BA?
Because my future is the SSC examination and this is the very good for this.
So to prepare SSC examination, what is the need of English?
It's a very need in English because if the communication is the good and we have to know about the English, then we are communication and we are learning in everyone and we will be confident in the, you know about that time is English is very important for us. Without English we can't survive our life because if you are going to a job line and if you want to be a job and then we go to the interview, then English is much and more
English is
important.
really important.
Yes, I think.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Muskan.
Okay, Muskan, what are you doing nowadays?
I'm doing my fashion design
Why do you think that English is important?
because English is important in this time. Anywhere you go, English is necessary. If you go any job, any field,
I'm
English.
talking about you. For you, English is important or not?
Yes, English is important.
Why? Why do you think that English is important?
Because I talk to my clients and my abroad clients, yeah, any other, then I will need to speak in English.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Nishkas.
Okay, discuss what are you doing nowadays?
I am currently studying. I am a student.
Okay, in which school do you study?
I read in DA Public School.
So their English is not taught.
It is an English medium school, so it is obviously going to have a subject English, and generally we are just taught to just speak and communicate with other students and teachers in English.
Okay, so are they talking in English or not?
Most of the teachers are just talking in English, but some teachers who are just not interested in talking in English or want to explain the student in Hindi, they are just talking in Hindi with the students.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kanish Karuta.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Kanish Karuta. I read in class 6. I read from GD International School. I live in Singapore.
Oh, do you think that your English is good?
Yes, I think my English is good.
Well, how can you say that? And how have you improved your English?
By the JIT English, I improved my English.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Rich.
What do you want to do in future?
To be IPS officer.
Why have you come here?
I choose BCA.
Why have you come here? Why have you come at the DIT British English?
English.
Why? Why do you need to learn English?
BCA. I choose BCA, and BCA total subject is English.
That's why you just think that no, English is important.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Harshit.
Okay, Harshit, do you think that English is important for you?
Yeah, English is important.
Why? What do you want to do in future?
Because in future all things in English language, and so English is very necessary in human lives. Because that's like professional jobs and any for like jobs and tourist things, and it is very important in English.
What is your name?
My name is I want to be a teacher.
So for teaching, I don't think that English is important.
No, English is important.
Which subject you want to teach the students?
English teachers.
You want to be an English teacher. Okay. So now you have just seen that how the people are crazy behind English and they are just knowing that what is the importance of English nowadays. And if a person who is going to learn English, they are going to just solve all the problems, because English is not a language, it's a thing by which we can just communicate with anyone. So this is all about my students which have been just seen, and you have also just seen that why have they come here to learn English. So thank you everyone, and thank you cameraman with Mr. Divyanshu. Thank you.